Hi everybody, Sweet Tequila here. Today, we're gonna be cleaning my computer and we're gonna be using my DataVac electric duster. There are plenty of these on the market. You don't have to necessarily use this one, but I will put a link to that one in the description below. One thing that you always wanna consider is your fans. Whenever you blow air on them, do not let them spin freely. Hold one hand on them so they don't spin. And you may have to kind of do a little rock and roll symbol like that to hold them still, because these fans will basically destroy themselves if they're allowed to free spin with a lot of air moving. And that goes for your GPU too. There's plenty of videos of where people just let them spin and it destroyed them. And so we don't want to have that happen to this computer or yours. So keep that in mind. But kind of get in here, you can see the dust and dirt that is caked on this fan there, and then there's all kinds of dust and dirt there. And the reason I'm showing you this is so you can help your PC last a lot longer. There's that one, and then it's the money shot here, those fans, all that right there is dust, and we're gonna try to take care of that today. So yeah, let's clean this computer. Okay, so now we have got all the loose dust and everything blown off. I will probably go through later with a brush or something and clean these fans a lot more, but the loose dust is off of them. All of the filters, or the filter down here, this AIO, the fins here on the GPU, they're all clean. So yeah, this is all part of taking care of what you have, and whether you have a PC or you have a console or a laptop or whatever, they all suck air in, they're all sucking stuff in. They need to have everything blown out. Whether you use this duster right here or you use a different one, it doesn't matter. Either way, take care of your stuff and you'll get a lot more life out of it. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, Work hard, play hard, game hard, but above all else, be excellent to each other.